Building a new brewery is a noble and exciting endeavor. For many, it's a dream they feel they're ready to achieve. But starting a microbrewery isn't cheap or easy. The cost of starting a microbrewery is approximately $300,000 to $350,000. May include a mix of old and new equipment as well as a lot of personal labor. The resources needed for a successful commercial brewer are as follows: solid business plan, reliable source of equipment, a business-minded partner, some proven recipes mastered on a small scale, resilience and determination. Pricing for a system depends on two main factors: the size of the system, new or used. Brand new brewery equipment can cost between $100,000 and several million. If you're considering starting from scratch, rent a site, build out and equip it appropriately. Be prepared for a long process, complicated if not in real time. If you already have a restaurant and are interested in opening a brew pub, extra space and friendly leasing arrangements, which may reduce some costs. Want to start your own brewing business? Contact us. We have the skills to get you set right. Check out our professional brewing consultancy services available.